Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to show you how I recreated these Miu Miu shoes. Basically I saw them in a department store. They were $750 and I just took a video of them and I decided that I wanted to make them my own. So I'm starting this project with my crystals. These are non-AB flat back crystals, and then I'll be gluing them to the shoes with my E6000 adhesive using my crystal pen picker. And these are the shoes that I found. These are from H&M, around $15. They were the closest thing that I could find next to the originals. They're very classy and they're kind of like a suede material. I really like them. Very, very classy, and the crystals would look great on them. So I'm starting off with taking the E6000 and a toothpick, and I'm just putting a little bit on my toothpick to give me the preciseness that I need, as the toothpick will give me more preciseness to just dab that glue on the shoe, the area where I want it to be. And I don't want to smear it like usual because I'm not gonna have tightness with the crystals. I want to have a little bit of space, a little gap. So what I'm going to do is just take that toothpick with the glue and then dab it on the part of the shoe that I want to have a crystal on, just like that. And then once I have that spot ready for the crystal, I'll go ahead and pick up the crystal with my crystal pen and just lay it on that spot of glue. And that's it basically, and it's done. So the original shoes had 3 rows of crystals. However, their crystals were larger than mine, but I'm still gonna do the 3. So I'll just finish outlining the shoe as the first row, and then I'll start doing the second row following the third row. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video. So as always, I will see you in my next video, and if you have any other ideas for future videos, please write them below.